TikTok is full of knowledge that most of the time we don't really need. So instead of doom scrolling on TikTok, let's see if there are any useful fashion tips. Actually, you know what? Here in Philippines, you're gonna see a lot of ukay-ukay. You're gonna see a lot of second-hand items that are being sold at a much lower price. Actually, what's with China though? Cause this is insane. There's apparently this challenge where you can fit whatever clothes you want inside a bucket for only $20. There would probably a lot of people that would line up when that shop opens up here in Philippines, if ever.
I see it, I like it, I take the price, I put it back. I take the price, I put it back. I take it back.
Like, this is so for real though. Like, this is literally so relatable. Like, when you see an item that you really like, but then you're gonna look at the price and then for some reason you just don't want it anymore. Like, that's so funny. But like, here in Philippines, if you're gonna go to some ukay-ukay, there are already prices indicated on the clothes. For example, the t-shirts are like 50 pesos or 3 pieces for 100 pesos. There are times that the prices are like that. This one is actually really crazy because you won't really see people dressing up like this. Like, it's really not that often that you would see people here in Philippines that would dress or something like this because it's really hot. Like, just wearing this is already making me sweat the fuck. And usually you would only see people wearing like this when they are in school if there's a project or something. But one thing's for sure is that when you do walk out of your house wearing something like this, then you would be the it girl, it boy, you would be that girl, because that is literally crazy when you're wearing something like this outside. Girl, imagine being so dripped out though. Like, Japan really knows how to dress themselves, do nice character designs as well as nice clothing, so this is really nice. I mean, just look at that drip, that's so crazy, especially the skirts. The way they match up the dresses, the clothes is just crazy. It just looks so nice. But then again, the logic here in Philippines is kinda different. Like, you're gonna wear a full-on jacket on a hot summer day, and then you're also and then some people are also gonna drink some hot coffee on a hot summer day. Like, what is that? That doesn't really make sense. But that's just how it works here. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? I'm already sweating a lot. That's just how hot it is here in Philippines. Damn. Like, you can wear a skirt in 3 styles. It can even be turned into a bag. Like, whoever designed this outfit is really creative. It's really innovative. It has so many uses. You can make it as a long skirt or a short skirt, whatever you prefer, which is really nice for our different kind of girlies out there. Okay, this one actually works. Like, this tip is actually so underrated. It actually works so well. Like, when you are taking really still pictures, you would look really stiff. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this. I look so good. I slayed so much, yet I look so stiff. You know why? Because I was taking pictures when I was frozen. Damn, I'm sweating so hard. Anyway, what was I saying again? Because when you are moving, when you are in motion, you are capturing some poses that you can't really capture when you are not moving. I would get some really nice shots in comparison to when I'm just taking some pictures when I am still like this. When I'm still thinking of a pose, of the next pose, instead of like just constantly moving like this, then I would get some really nice shots. Like, it's true that you would look really funny, but like, the photos are probably worth it, so it's okay. Like, who cares? You know what, this is kind of true though, because like layering is kind of 50-50 if you're good at it or not. If it's done correctly, it would look really well. It would look so innovative, it would look so creative. It would just look so good if it's done correctly. If it's not, then it's just all over the place.
Her face card never decline. Man, fuck all that makeup, you fine.
That's actually so true, because there are some aesthetics that only people that are staying on Pinterest would understand, and the normie people won't really understand. Like, there are people that are chronically online, they would get some jokes like skibidi skibidi like that, but normal people won't really understand what that is, what that means. That's just basically it. And my dogs are playing in the background, don't mind that.
Because nobody admits anything they've done!
You know, that's actually just frustrating. Okay, so the theme was literally Office Siren, and then the people dress up as mermaids. Like, what the fuck? That's not even the theme. The theme was literally Office Siren. She was wearing literally Office Siren, but the ones who are on top positions are like mermaids, and the two of them are literally wearing the same colors. What? That's so frustrating. But you know what? It would be better if OP used the Pearl's voice like, I'm a star! I'm a star! That would be even better.
No problem. I don't care. You are you, I am me.
Yeah, Slay, I am you, you are me. Yes, Slay Wanyang. The outfit is really giving. Like, of course, it's normal to not like something, but like hating on it. Like, skirt over jeans is actually really nice. My dogs. Anyway, skirts over jeans is actually really nice when done right. So I guess the people are hating because some are not executedly right, or it just doesn't look good. But this one slays. This one's really slays. I like the blazer. I like the black blazer.
What is everyone wearing for back to school?
What's AHS?
Coquette. Elena Gilbert.
Who's Elena Gilbert? But I can see some people wearing AHS style. But like, if you're going to school, the schools here require uniforms. Like, you don't really get to wear casual clothing unless there are some events or some projects that you guys have to cosplay or wear something else for the project. At least within my vicinity, you can see some of them wearing Occupy, but rarely Coquette, because some of the clothes here are like very casual, very street style. Some people are like wearing sando. People usually wear t-shirts and shorts or pants here in Philippines because of the heat, so we don't really wear some heavy type of clothing.
Wow, you look incredible. I mean, how come
You know what? Here in Philippines, it feels like summer every day. It's literally summer every day. It's so hot every day. Even when you're inside your room, you're already sweating a lot. Like, look at me now. I'm already sweating. I'm only inside my room. What the I have to chill. This one post just hit so hard because it says not to put on a jacket for every outfit. But you know what? It's summer here every day, and you literally can't put on I can't even speak right now. But you know what? If you can slay summer outfits, then go slay. You can wear that.
Oh my god, I've been looking everywhere for this.
This one is way too funny. It's just like the one where you check the prices first.
Just like this. Oh my
But
god.
this one you're gonna so like the thing is, sometimes we girls would look at the clothes or the dresses or the skirts, and we would think that, hey, this would look good with this if I pair it up with something like this. But then we won't really get it. You know why? Because it's a price. Like, even if we really like it, like for some reason, I'm not really speaking for everyone here, but there are some people, it's either they're gonna spend their money on food or on clothes. Like, they can spend something like this, like blah blah something on food, but they can't really spend the same amount of money on food on clothes. and vice versa. The majority of the TikTok posts that we saw today are mostly funny. They aren't really educational. Well, you can't really expect that on TikTok anyway, but most of them are really funny and relatable. Like I can't really say for everyone, but I can relate to some of them. If you guys have any ideas or any TikTok new ideas that we can see together, and if you really like this video, then I recommend you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one because I haven't been here for so long, like a month or two. I took a rest because I had to adjust to my new routines and stuff. So yeah, if you really like this, I'll be seeing you on the next one. Bye bye.